Have you ever thought about taking a break, leaving everything behind and taking an actual break? No mindless scrolling on social media, waiting for your next notification, or looking for a funny cat video. No staring at your screens trying to figure out your next big move. Or watching your favorite Netflix series trying to escape reality. Not being able to sit tight with your own thoughts for a single second, you lazy bastard. Yes, you. What do you think? Why is that? That when you are under the shower with nothing in your mind, that's when your biggest revelations come to you. That's the main source of your inspiration. Boredom. But to tap into the most powerful part of your mind that can change your life, you need some clarity and you need to be lonely, at least for a little bit. So that is exactly what I did. I put on a backpack and headed out into the wild. But I had to find a place where I can sleep before the snakes and the blood wallabies bite me in the ass. Just look at that guy. He's definitely up to something. Everybody comes to the point at some stage when we feel like we just need a break. Our dopamine receptors are overstimulated and we just feel anxious, overwhelmed and never satisfied. We are just not present, not happy. And the best way to go about taking a break is taking a break from civilization. Because our modern society is perfectly designed to overstimulate our dopamine receptors and constantly make us crave more. Billions of dollars are being pumped into making us unsatisfied. And sometimes it's definitely worth to do a reset. So-called dopamine detox. So how you can do that? Get out, put down the screens, put down social media and spend some time just with your own thoughts, with yourself, in nature. The reason why you do something like this and probably want to do something like this is because after a while things with low dopamine threshold feel less enjoyable. So picking up a book and reading or just going about and working on your side project is not that exciting anymore when you can play video games, do drugs, drink alcohol or just scroll on social media. But the issue with that is that the moments when you feel bored just alone with your own thoughts, those are the moments when real reflection and growth happens. Those are the moments when your mind starts wandering and you start thinking and looking in the future and reflecting on everything that happened previously to you. And every time when you feel a bit bored and pick up your phone and start scrolling on social media when true reflection would happen, then basically you don't allow your mind to do the work for you. Let's find a spot where you can sleep because the sun is setting already. Actually, the sun set already. As I was laying in the grass, reading the ancient wisdoms of Tao Te Ching, with billions of stars above me, next to the fire, all of a sudden, I felt at peace. Sometimes we tend to forget in the daily grind, then that's not all we have. There is way more to it. And sometimes we just have to break free to realize what actually matters. To be completely honest, I didn't sleep a single minute in the tent. It was absolutely freezing and the wind was blowing it from every single direction. And I didn't even have a proper pillow. So my neck hurts a bit and I'm completely sleep deprived. But I have to tell you that it's still absolutely worth it. Just check this out. So I continued my hike up north to finish the last leg of my journey, carrying my 15 kilo backpack with me. I have to admit, it made the hike a bit harder. Luckily, the sun came out and the weather warmed up, so I could warm up as well after the freezing night. I even decided to go for a dip. The ocean was fresh, and to be honest, I never felt more alive. After a night by the coast, the fire, the stars, hiking in nature, and the fresh water, I felt reborn. As the final destination, I hiked up to a nearby cliff to finish reading Tao Te Ching and to have my lunch. I have to say that there is something magical in spending some time in nature by yourself. And I think it's crucial to be able to spend some time with ourselves, with our thoughts and emotions, because that enables us to connect with others as well on a way higher level. So you have the time, I would highly recommend putting on a backpack and going out into the wild.